Today in this video, I will show you how can you use Canva AI feature to generate PowerPoint presentations. I will show you all the options using the free plan today so that you can understand using the free plan what are the things you can do, and if you have any specific additional requirement, then you can anyways go to the pro plan. Now, let me click on this option of continue with Google. I'll choose one of my ID here and I'll click on continue, then it will log me in. So currently I'm in this Canva homepage where I have logged in using one of the ID where I don't have any paid plan. If you need to create any of the presentation, you can click on this presentation option here. It will give you this particular interface. Now this is the overall Canva interface. If you want to know about Canva, that how to use the entire thing, I have a different video altogether. But here I'll quickly show you how can you use their AI feature to generate a PowerPoint presentation. So there is one option here you can see that is use 4+ words to describe. So you can describe your requirement here, that what type of presentation you are looking for. So let me do one thing. I'm just typing, please help me to create a pitch deck, and then I will hit enter. Now currently Canva AI is working and it will create some of the templates. From there we'll be able to start working on it. Now you can see it generated some of the options. If I click on this see all, then it will show me all those options which it generated. You can click on any of them. It generated some 7 slides. If you click on it, it will show you all those options. You can check each of the slide as a preview from here. So this is a pitch deck template it generated for you where you can add your own text and own contents. However, you can check all the pages, and if you are happy with it, then only you can continue. Now this is one option. Now if you apply all selected pages, it will use 1 credit out of 10. So as a free user, you get 10 credits to use these AI features of Canva. So if you click on any of the option, 1 credit will get utilized. What I'll do, I'll close this particular option because I need to check the other options also. I'll check this one, how it looks like. Here also it created multiple different options. So what I'll do, I'll use this option and I'll apply on apply selected pages. And then it will apply all those pages and it will add here. Now this is the one it generated. You can see if you go to any of the pages, you will be able to see those options. Now if you click on apply all 7 pages, then it will generate 7 different slides for us. Then you can see now this is slide number 1, slide 2, 3, 4. Everything is there. But one problem is we can see that now images which it generated, there is a Canva watermark. If I click on present, then you will be able to see this particular option is there. Now there are certain options we can get rid of these images and we can use free images also. So if I click on any of those images and then I go to elements and then I click on photos option and I click on select all, there I'll be able to see multiple different images. If I just select this one, then this particular image will get inserted, and then if I just drag this image inside this frame, then this image will also get replaced. Now you can see we are using a different image now. Now in case of any changes required, you can click on this option and you can click on this crop option if you want to show a different part of the image and if you need any specific customization. So that you can do, and if you click outside, that particular image part will get utilized. Similar way, you will be able to replace other images also. So this is one part, because if you are using a free plan, not all the images you can use. Whatever the images you can see, those are available there, you can use. There will be some of the pro images which you cannot use, and one pro watermark will be there. You can see this particular image, there is a pro mention. So which means this is a pro image, you cannot use it using the free plan. So this is on the image part. Now if you need to change any of the text, what you can do, very easy. You can just come here and you can double click, you can type something, whatever you are looking for, that you can do, and you can make record changes. If you want to adjust any of the font, style of the font, everything you can do. All those things are also possible here. 2 things we have done. One, we know how to replace these images, and second is how to add or modify required text. So once your content will be ready, and you can use this AI generated template of Canva, so make it a beautiful presentation. Now let me show you a few more things. Here this particular page is a bit dry, right? Where if you want to add any of the components, you can go to elements. If you come back, there are multiple different things are available inside elements. First of all, you can see the recently used. Second is different shapes are there. all those available shapes, whatever you want, and any of the shape, whatever you will bring it here, those are editable. You can add additional text, you can change the color of this particular shape, everything, all those things are possible. So if I come back, there are other options also. You can insert table, you can add any other graphics, whatever the graphics are available for free, everything can be utilized here. Few more things are very important and those are very useful. Let me show you. There's one option that is frames. If I click on this see all, I'll be able to see multiple different type of frames. And what are the basic shapes are there, different other options. If I click on paper one and see all, I'll be able to see different options and I'll choose one from here. Maybe this one, because in the right side of the page, I want to put this particular frame, and there, and this is the way you will be able to use it. And here again, if you go back and then you go to images, and if I click on see all, and I'll bring one image from here to this particular page. So maybe let me select this one, and then if I just drag it here, then I'll be able to use this particular image. Now whatever changes are required for the text, you can do, you can make necessary changes. I'm just giving you an idea how can you use different component within Canva so that you can use this AI generated template and build your presentations down the line. Now we have just changed this one. You can change this particular image whenever you will work on, and then whatever other options are available, let me show you. One option is very useful. Let me do one thing. Let me delete this particular frame. And then if I go back, then one good option is tables, so that you can use. But on top of that, charts. If you want to add any of the chart, you can click on see all. Then you can see all different possible charts are available here. Even for some of the areas, bar charts, there are multiple different options. All those options you can use, and you can just click on it and you can place it here. If I click on this particular option, then this chart will get added, and then we'll have some additional controls. Let me show you those things also. If I just place this particular chart here, now you can see the data table is here. You can update these values right away here, or you can click on clear data and you can feed in your own data here. Or if you have any additional file, one CSV, Excel file, Google Sheet, everything you can bring it here. You can see you will be able to upload Excel files, CSV and TSV files, and you can also connect any of your Google Sheet to bring your own data here. So that's the way you will be able to use the chart option. So this is one very good option. I'm in process to record one very detailed video which will be more than 30 to 40 minutes long, where I'm going to cover each and every components of Canva in case you need to create a presentation from the draft, and everything you need to know I'm going to cover in that particular video. So please do subscribe to this channel if you want to watch that content too. That's coming next. Now this is the way you will be able to add charts. Now let me come back to one final thing, that is how can you present. On the presentation part, there is a very good feature available within Canva. If you want to present your slides, you can click on present, and then it will show you that present with watermark, which is for free. If I click on present, let me just show you that what are the capabilities is offered. So this is the first page where there is no watermark, right? Because we have utilized the free one. Here, this image you can anyways change. And what I'm doing, I'm just selecting the right arrow and it's changing. You can see all those graphs, everything. Those are possible to see directly. And these images we can just check, and there will not be any of the watermark. Now one best thing which is possible within Canva, if you come to this footer of this particular presentation when it is on, you can do one thing, that is share remote control. If you click here, it will show you one QR code. Now from your mobile device, if you go and if you scan that particular QR code, you will be able to control this presentation. So I scanned it using my mobile. Now Canva is opening, and now this is connecting. Now you can see there are two different controls. One is the left arrow and another right arrow. So if I click on this left arrow, my slides are getting changed. It's going to the previous one. And if I click on this right arrow, it's coming back. So using your mobile, you will be use it as a remote control of your presentation, and that too using the free version of Canva. This is a very good feature. I thought of showing it here. So this is the way you will be able to control your presentation whenever you are presenting using Canva. So using Canva AI feature, what Canva is actually doing, that it is creating a template for you where you need to bring your own content and you can change the remaining part of it, and you can design your PowerPoint presentations further. So this is all about it. Hopefully it will be helpful and you will be able to use this particular feature. If you want to know anything related to Canva, please let me know in the comments below. I'll try to produce some of the videos covering those particular points. If you have any feedback about this video, please do mention there also. I earlier published another video using Canva and ChatGPT. How can you create bulk presentations, and that too within a very quick time? Check out this video to know everything about it.